So check it out. Behind me, we have the 3.0 and all of the sponsorship parts. Today is gonna be the day where Surmomster transforms the E-Ride 3.0 into a monster, baby. I leave tomorrow to Italy, so this is gonna be happening all while I'm gone over the next 2 weeks. And when I return, this is gonna be a completely different bike. As you can see, I already stated, this is a stock E-Ride Pro 3.0. And now that we're at it, we might as well take this wrap off. Oh, hey, baby, hold on. All right, so no more wrap, because let me show you this powder over here. This is the color that we're gonna be powder coating the E-Ride Pro 3.0. Now we basically have an all black bike. It's gonna look a whole lot different. We're gonna throw on the R-Floxes. We have the Ridemoda. Shout out to Ridemoda. This is their new motor cover. And then I know you guys see that package right there from Milk Racing. We have a 16-inch rear Milk Racing rim. We have the new Dunlops for the front and the back. And then we have the EBMX X9000, this FX throttle, and this custom seat cover from Thrill Seekers, baby. Take a look, because this is the last time that this E-Ride Pro 3.0 will be black and in its stock form. There is only about like 5 minutes until Surmomster pulls up and picks up all these parts along with the 3.0, and then after that it's gonna be like 2 weeks until I see this thing. Surmomster has arrived. We have the 3.0 loaded up, and right here in the middle we have all the parts. So she's right over there talking actually to Drift 8, and this is the last look at the 3.0, guys. Get your last look, because this is the last time that it's gonna be black. So without further ado, we are gonna fast forward 2 weeks ahead. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dialed in. Let me get a reaction video out of them. Let's see if it matches the car.
Yeah! Okay.
Does it match?
Oh, it matches, baby. Look at this thing. Even the underglow and everything. Okay. And look, check out the front plate. You guys have not seen that at all anywhere. That's a 1-to-1 right there. No, honestly, I'm so hyped. Huge shout out to Surmomster. If it wasn't for Surmomster, I swear to God, this would not happen. Even with all the sponsors aside from her, I couldn't have pulled this off. So
I'm super stoked. We're super stoked.
No, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to show you guys some shots like in the daytime, because this color does not do justice at night, even with the light on it. But yeah, no, the details on this thing, they even added decals to match like the leopard for the custom Thrill Seeker seat. So fire.
I think that's the first Drift 8 vintage plate, #1 right there.
No, 1000%. Yeah, no, it came out so good. Added some prickly parts on it.
Yeah, we did the shift lock, same color match.
Yeah, so
got
fire.
Prickly parts.
The
The underglow is
16.
amazing. 3 sets of underglow. The rear light's nice. The Floza stuff, our Floza stuff's nice.
What's your favorite part?
I like the plate, honestly.
Yeah?
I like the color too. I like the throttle. We all know those throttles are amazing.
Honestly, I really like the plate. That's probably like my favorite part, is the plate, and I've been looking forward to the 16-inch rear. I swear that, like, the look.
Yeah,
the look. I love the 1916.
Yeah.
So good.
I like how they engraved your name on it.
Oh yeah.
Milk.
Yeah. They put the
Milk's
Thicc.
amazing.
Yeah, that thing came out super
The
sick.
package was amazing. Send you cookies. I ate them. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. I was wondering what snacks they were gonna send. I swear. I'm really hyped.
Like, I've never seen these before. Like the clear grips.
Oh yeah, the clear grips. Those
like,
two.
These are actually like, I don't know how to explain it. They're like plastic or something. They're kind of cool.
They're almost like rubber, like rubbery.
Yeah. We tinted the Baja. We can do that on any bike. We just match the graphics and tint the Baja.
And I didn't ask for that, but that was like, honestly, the cherry on top. That was like a nice little touch. And honestly, the whole build came out so fire. Down to like the custom graphics. Like if you zoom in, they tried to match the flake of the actual powder coat on the graphics, which I've never seen. That's like next level right there.
So we did some chrome, and then we did some some normal, just white, and then we put the glitter on top.
Yeah, no, this thing is crazy.
Match the thrill seeker seat.
Dude, yeah, no,
logo.
the leopard was so fire. So fucking sick.
Josh
I'm hyped.
worked on the graphics bit.
Yeah, dude, no, Josh, he went hard. Shout out to Josh. Holy.
Josh always is
Dude, Josh.
doing whatever asked.
Josh needs a raise because holy cow. Thank you, I appreciate it. Welcome back to the video, guys. So as you can see, there's a little sneak peek of how the new eRide 3.0 came out. I already said it, but huge shout out to Surmomster. They just dropped it off last night. And so this is my first look and your first look at the new 3.0. As of right now, none of my friends or even family besides my girlfriend and her family know that the eRide is done. So today I'm gonna be actually meeting up with Drift Date first with Julian, and then maybe my mom and my other friend Brian. But the first initial reaction is them basically seeing the eRide Pro all done up, because as you can tell, it looks a little bit different than what it did about 2 months ago. Hopefully we get some good reactions. I think that my family will like it. But other than that, guys, let's switch to the GoPro in 3, 2. Hello? Look, he doesn't even know about his freaking plate. Julian!
Yo!
Hey, open the door!
What's up, dude?
Hey, dude, look. Check this out, look. Yeah. Remember those keys right there? Yep.
No way!
Yep, yep, yep.
Oh!
Yep, yep, yep.
No way, bro!
Yep, yep, yep.
Yo!
Yep, 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 yep. Stop playing with him.
Holy cow! Dude!
I like it.
Surmomster, holy
Dude.
cow, dude!
She literally went hard, bro.
Oh! What? the-
Dude, that plate, huh?
That's insane.
Dude, doesn't that shit look
she
so
do
good?
that?
Looks so good, dude.
Oh my god. Dude, she cut it so good.
Yeah, bro. I like it.
Bro.
You like it?
So nice.
And it has
the
the
EBMX.
yeah, and it has the forks too, the Reflexa forks.
Oh my god.
Dude, the bike looks so good. Like, check it out. Okay.
Throttle is so good.
Oh, for the
Should be
FX throttle?
So smooth. Like,
Yeah.
oh, it's FX throttle.
Yeah, she just she polished it because it was red. Remember?
Damn. What I'm saying is that the throttle, the
throttle curve is
smooth,
good.
It's like so good, bro.
Yeah.
You can literally like,
Yeah.
you can feel like it doesn't feel sketch. Like,
I like it. Feels good,
dude, it feels so good.
dude.
Does it work?
These
Light?
plates are crazy. It does. That's the Underglow. This is the light.
Oh my god.
This is the
This shit
Underglow.
looks insane.
Okay, guys, the new eRide. We have Mr. Drift Day right here.
What is going on, guys? This is the new eRide for Thicc Scat.
Yep.
We got him. You know what we had to do. The Drift Date number plate. This is the first ever cut vented aluminum Drift Date number plate, brothers.
Yeah.
Along with the R-Floxa suspension. You already know this is one of the best in the industry. Right before EXTs, that is the best.
Yeah.
You come on down and you look at all the graphics all around. Look at all these. Look at the details in here. Detail, detail. Surmomster really knows how to do it. You know, you have your little, you know, I forget what this thing is called.
Stem mount, I think.
Stem mount by
Stem
Prickly.
mount. Yep.
Prickly is, you know, one of the best. For sure, one of the best.
Yep.
You come down, you had to add the Prickly foot pegs because why not?
Because why not?
It's the best.
Yes, sir.
You have your cheetah seat. for all
By
you
Thrill
cheetah
Seekers.
lovers.
Yeah, by Thrill Seekers.
By
Don't
Thrill.
forget, shout out Thrill Seekers.
We got the Dunloppers in the back. We went as fat as possible. If you could look, Surmomster cut all of these. Look at the fitment here. She cut all the knobs so that it can fit.
Look at that.
Look at that. Insane.
Oh.
You could barely see it.
Holy.
Milk Racing back tire. with
16 inch, 16 inch.
16 inch.
Yep.
It says thick on
It says thick right there. Check it
because
out.
he's a thick boy.
Oh, yep.
Yep.
Hey, check out that controller though.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
And you cannot forget the best part of the bike, the EBMX X9000 controller to give it a little more power.
Yeah.
A little better throttle curve.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
Oh,
Shout
hold
out
up.
to- Ooh,
Hold up.
what do we
Don't
got?
forget. Oh,
Oh,
don't forget.
We can't
Yeah,
forget
the
this.
little foot lock.
And the cover.
Yep.
The foot lock from Astro Works, I believe.
Yep.
And the
What is it? Motor cover?
Motor cover from I don't know who.
Oh, and then
Monster
check
is-
this out.
Oh my god.
Surmomster was like, I like the grips. Like,
Oh,
I've never
I
seen
forgot
these.
one.
Where'd you get them? Temu special. $5 Pro Taper. Stop playing with a kid.
Can't forget the one, dude. Throw out this one.
Oh,
FX
yes.
Throttle, dude.
FX Throttle.
CNC to throttle.
Yeah.
You know we had to do it.
Custom polished, by the way. Well, not
Custom
polished,
polished.
but raw.
Custom
Yeah,
Yep,
and then
yep.
you got a quick little regen for that motherfucker bit. Oh, in the Baja. Yep.
The Baja S2 Sport. Oh my goodness.
Holy. And it's pink. Stop playing with a
There's too
kid.
many upgrades on this thing, man. I'm
Yeah,
losing
dude.
track.
So out of 10, what would you rate this thing, dude?
That's a 1 out of 10.
Oh. Yep.
No, I'm just kidding. That's a 10 out of 10, man.
Yep. 10 out of
10 out of
10. Hey, Tarek.
Hey, Tarek, we need your face in the video for a second.
Wow.
Full face,
Show
yo.
him from like right here.
The full thing, full face.
Hey, my boy's fresh. Look at him.
That mullet. Show that mullet, dude.
Okay.
Ooh.
Stop playing with him. All right, show him. Right, Tarek, I have something to show you.
Okay.
Hold on.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
What you think?
Bro. That's tough. Oh, it's like sparkle.
It's hella sparkle.
Holy shit.
Dude, pulling up in the SR.
You vlogging?
Yeah, big vlogging.
No, and I gotta make my video too, bro.
Wait, bring it over here. So, hey, if you guys don't remember, this is the SR that I bought this for.
We've been riding it, bro. Oh shit, you got your bike back?
Yeah, I got my bike back.
back.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
Damn, bro.
Yeah, huh?
Hey, go drop mine now, bro. My turn.
See, it's your turn, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, dude. What you think? What you think?
That shit look fire, bro.
I need the initial review from the SR owner.
That shit nice. I like it, bro.
Yeah, huh?
Fuck with it.
That shit's fire.
Damn, it looks good, bro. It's so, what's it called, it's so bright.
Yeah, dude. Hey, now when the cops chase me, I'm fucked.
Yeah, bro.
They're gonna single me out.
We have to fucking wrap it again, bro. It's not good, bro.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Chilling, dude. Chilling. Yeah. Yeah, we have business to talk about.
All right, what's right? That's pretty sick, bro.
Crazy, huh?
Pretty sexy, bro.
Crazy work.
Different type of wrap or what?
Nah, it's powder coat.
Oh, the wrap. Ooh, shit's pretty hard.
Powder coat. I know it.
Does it E-Ride?
Yeah, it's the E-Ride.
Just the wood. I fuck with it.
Yeah.
Ole. It's just clean.
Hell yeah.
Ole.
If you guys made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this kind of content. I want to give a huge shout out to Surmomster for all the work that she did. Honestly, this thing came out a lot better than I expected. And without further ado, see you guys next time. Peace.